Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tableau for visualizations that boost LinkedIn engagement. Complete guide step by step clearly. On the home page, navigate to the top right corner where you will see the Products menu. Hover over the Products tab and click on Tableau Desktop from the drop-down list. Take a moment to explore the features of Tableau Desktop to ensure it fits your visualization needs. Once you are ready, look for the Try Now or Buy Now button. Click the button to be directed to the subscription options. You will see various pricing plans. Review them to choose the plan that aligns with your budget and requirements. Select the Start Free Trial option if you wish to explore the software before making a commitment. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. After entering your information, click on Start My Free Trial. You will receive an email with a link to download Tableau Desktop. Follow the link in your email to download the software onto your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Tableau Desktop. After installation, launch the program and log in using your credentials from the previous step. Upon logging in, you will have access to a variety of templates and data sources to create compelling visualizations. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Import your data sources that you want to visualize. Use the drag and drop functionality to create stunning charts and dashboards tailored for LinkedIn engagement. Once you have your visualizations ready, export them in formats suitable for sharing on LinkedIn. Now that you've created impactful visual representations, visit your LinkedIn profile. Click on Add Profile section and select Featured to showcase your Tableau visualizations. Upload your visualizations and descriptions to enhance your profile's appeal. Engagement on LinkedIn will increase as you demonstrate your analytical skills and present data visually. Now, you are equipped with the tools and knowledge to utilize Tableau effectively for boosting your LinkedIn engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.